Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Shift key is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select Ease of Access Center. Now that we're in here, you want to go ahead and select Make the Keyboard Easier to Use. So scroll down and again select Make the Keyboard Easier to Use. Now you want to make sure Turn on Sticky Keys is not turned on, so make sure that's unchecked. And then you will select Apply and OK. So again, make sure that is not currently selected. And then if you close out of here, open up the search menu, type in Device Manager, go ahead and open that up. Expand the keyboard section, double click on it, right click on the keyboard listed under here and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the one that's provided here and then select Next. Select Close, and now you will need to save and close out of any open programs and applications, and you will restart the computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.